Hi guys, welcome to today's class, still on motion and indeed still on physics. Today we have a problem that is quite different from the ones we used to do. Like I always say, we have done work on linear motion. I think this question will be a question on circular motion. Let's really see how this goes. We have here a cyclist rides round a circular path 50 meter radius at an angular speed of 35 radius per second, attaining a speed of 50 radius per second at an angular distance of 20 radius. Calculate the linear acceleration of the cyclist. Now you can see that the question is quite different from how we used to see it. Let's try to show that the board contains the solution. Now, like I always say, remember, I say whatever a question is being given or being presented, it's try to find a way to know the things, the parameters that are given. So that from there, I can know the formula to use in solving it. Let's say given, we have that the radius is 45 meters, angular motion, first to angular speed is 35, okay, 35 per second. That's the initial angular speed. The final angular speed is 50 meters per second. The angle or the distance, angular distance is 20 meters. Now, solution. Now, we have already gotten the parameters that are given. Now, the equation to use. Remember, physics is always is a subject of a formula. You have to know the right formula to use to get the right answer. Remember, we have done work on linear acceleration and velocity and the rest of that. Now we are talking about angular, that's circular motion. Now let's use the equation using the third equation of circular motion. We have that W square is equals to W naught square plus 2 theta radius theta pi. Now we substitute. W square here will be 50 square equals to 35 square plus 2 theta times angular speed here in 20. Therefore, the theta here will be 50 square minus 35 square over 40, because this will multiply this to give you 40. Therefore, this will be 2,500 minus 1,225 over 40. Therefore, if you subtract this from this, you have 1,275 divided by 40, which will be equals to 3 point, sorry, 31.88. Therefore, this is equals to 1.88 radius per second square. But we have to calculate the linear acceleration. Therefore, linear acceleration here will be equals to A equals to radius at theta alpha. A equals to 45 times 3 1.88. Therefore, the acceleration will be equals to, if you multiply this by this, you have 1434.6 meter per second square. As simple as it is. Thanks for watching, and watch out for more problem solutions in physics and indeed motion. Bye.